Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. In today's video, we will discuss about the layoff news which is coming out from Cognizant. So what all we are going to cover? We will discuss about the performance and bench related layoffs which Cognizant is doing. And then we will talk about at which level are these layoffs happening. We will also talk about how employees were moved to bench and then how the layoffs are happening and its process. We will cover how many people are impacted or may be impacted because of these layoffs. And at the end, we will also talk about what you can do to avoid layoffs. So do watch the video till the end to gain complete insights. Don't leave in between to go with half-baked information. Let's get started. One small request before we start. It takes enormous effort to create content and publish on YouTube. We will appreciate if you can like the video and let us know your feedback in comments. Believe me, your small like and comment will make a difference and boost us in bringing more free educational and career related content to you. So please do like, share and subscribe. As per the article published in Money Control and also some of the major news channels, Cognizant has begun terminating its bench employees, and this is something which Cognizant has been doing from past some time. Cognizant's business has taken hit because of several factors for which we have done multiple videos in the past. You can check those out from the channel pages. Now, at which level are the terminations happening? So the terminations are happening mostly at the associate level, which is mid-level employees. So this is where the terminations are happening, and mid-level employees are the ones who are impacted the most. Friends, before we move forward with the video, here's an important announcement. We are offering project and program management masterclass workshop at an unbelievable price. Objective of this workshop is to enable aspirants to excel in project and program management roles. You will learn product thinking, strategic and people leadership, technical skills including agile, scrum and project management. Career guidance and job assistance are also included in the package. Project and program management masterclass takes anyone from beginner to expert level, making them job role ready in any service or product based organizations. You can reach out to us for a free consultation on the contact details flashing on the screen or the link from the description if you are interested in the project and program management workshop. Now, how are the terminations happening? What is the basis of termination? So the basis of termination is that all those employees who are on bench for more than 35 days. So do remember, those employees who are for more than 35 days are being scrutinized, and their inability to secure a project within the short span is leading to termination. So on basis of Cognizant's scrutiny and analysis, if they find any employee who have been on bench for more than 35 days, and if Cognizant feels that the person will not be able to secure a project, that means if the person as per Cognizant might not be made billable within a short span of time, then Cognizant is considering to terminate those kind of employees. There's also a reference on what kind of communication Cognizant is sending to the employees. So as you can see, this is the communication which has gone out, where Cognizant has said we are left with no other option other than to terminate your employment for reasonable cause of failure to secure work allocation and being in the bench for longer period with full salary. And further to the mail, what happens is that the employee will have to go through a personal hearing. So there will be a one-on-one hearing which will happen with the employee, wherein the employee will have to explain why he or she was on bench for more than the allowed bench period of 35 days. Now that is something which is slightly strange. Reason being, the employee may possess all the skills, but allocation of an employee for any particular project may not be completely in any of the employee's controls. And there's also one more catch. So in the event if employee does not appear for the discussion, then Cognizant considers the absence of the employee as the employee has accepted his inability. So Cognizant assumes inability of the person in case if they don't appear for the hearing, and Cognizant proceeds further with the termination due process. So the news also says that the poor performers are also being asked to leave. So that is something not new. Performance assessment is something which all the organizations do, and in case some of the people don't meet the performance standards which are out there in any of the organizations, they are asked to leave. Now there are also some of the concerns on the severance package, where what employees are telling, the severance package which is being offered is unfair. So there have been some petitions which have also been filed against this particular bench and performance related layoff case in Chennai. Now what is the scale which is going to be? How many employees are impacted, or how many employees may be impacted in future? So the scale of the termination is not completely clear. The size of the termination is not exactly known as if now, but as per the IT union, there are around 18,000 employees on bench and 27,000 who are rated with poor performance. So what that means is, if you sum up 18,000 plus 27,000, that means around 45,000 employees are on the radar. So there's a risk for these 45,000 employees. There's also a speculation on the percentage of people who are rated as performing poor. So in case if the number of poor performers earlier used to be 5% or so, now organizations have increased that bar. So to the number of people they would be providing lower ratings or poor performance could be 10%, or it could be more, it could be 15% as per the organization's decision on what they are going to take. So this number has also increased. Organizations' performance assessment standards have increased, and now they are marking more number of people with poor performance. Okay, so now let me ask you a question. Do reply your answer in the comment section. We do read all the comments and do reply to some of the comments as well. So the question is, who is responsible for your career? Think about it and do reply in the comment section. So do you think the organization is responsible for your career? Do you think friends, family, or any other well-wisher is responsible for your career? If the answer is yes, you may be wrong. Your career is your responsibility. Company don't train you because they love you. Companies invest in your training and professional growth according to their needs, not yours. So do remember, your career is your responsibility, not your company's or any future organization's responsibility. You need to upskill yourself and ensure that you are ready to face any challenge. We have done several videos on how you can avoid layoffs and how you can improve your performance. You can check those videos out from the channel pages. How was this video? If you have any feedback, do let us know in the comment section. So until we meet again, thank you. Friends, if you are unaware of our book, How to Be Invincible During Layoffs, and haven't read it yet, then this message is for you. How to Be Invincible During Layoffs is a complete guide to enable you to win under any types of terminations. From this book, you will be able to understand the indicators and signs of any types of layoffs. And once you understand these signs, this book contains the actions which you need to take. We have talked about how you can prevent layoffs and what you need to do once you see the indicators which are mentioned in this book. So this book talks about what could lead to layoff, and then we have also talked about in case if the layoff happens, what to do during layoff. How should you negotiate the best proposal out there? And don't leave any money on the table. There are various types of layoffs. In this book, you will find specific strategies to get the best out of your organization against various types of layoffs. So we highly recommend you to go ahead and buy the book right now. You will find the Amazon link of this book in the description. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.